الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة وليزيدن كثيرا منهم ما أنزل إليك من ربك طغيانا وكفرا وألقينا بينهم العداوة والبغضاء إلى يوم القيامة كلما أوقدوا نارا للحرب أطفأها الله ويسعون في الأرض فسادا والله لا يحب المفسدين. Translation: And what is being revealed upon you by your Rabb will surely increase many of them in rebellion and disbelief, and we have put enmity and hatred among them till the day of judgment. Whenever they kindle the fire for war, Allah extinguishes it, but they strive to spread mischief and corruption in the land, and Allah does not like the corruptors and mischief maker. Meaning that the book of Quran that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is sent for the guidance, but majority of the Jews will not get guidance from it except a few people, like a few of the Sahaba that were Jews before but they accepted Islam, like Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. So the majority of the Jews did not take the guidance, but they became more in their rebelliousness against Muslims and in disbelief, and they did not get any benefit from the book of Allah. The Jews were jealous because they saw that the Arabs got the final messenger and the final book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that's the reason they did not believe in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and left Quran. But they knew that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran was the truth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put enmity among them, meaning there are many sects in Jews and they are enemy to each other, and that will continue till the end of time. However, some scholars have taken this meaning as the enmity between the Jews and Christians, and we have seen in the history that majority of the time there was enmity between Jews and Christians, and it is only in the last 100 or 125 years that they have become friends. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned another characteristics of Jews, that they try to make schemes against Muslims and they try to kindle the fire for war, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala extinguishes the fire. In the history, the Jews got defeated all the time by Muslims. The tribe of Banu Qurayza was destroyed. The tribe of Banu Nazir left Medina and went to Khaybar, and then even in Khaybar they were attacked and they lost and defeated. So these people continue their schemes to cause corruption in the world, and this continues even today. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala don't like those people who try to spread mischief and corruption in the world. And these words of this ayah, that Wallahu la yuhibbul mufsideen, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like the corruptors and mischief makers, is true for all times, all races and all religions. Whoever is doing the corruption or making mischief, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like them. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us not repeat the mistakes of the previous nations. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.